Today's a big day. We're moving out again. So as some of you may know, I've just moved into this condo earlier this year. It's not even been around 6 months or so, and I'm already moving. And this was like my dream place, my dream home. But frankly, I found a better deal in a better neighborhood. Today we're moving to Phrom Phong, and I had such a fantastic deal on it. I'll show you the price later. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move. After just around 6 months, I've got a moving company. They're called RK Location. They're gonna come in, move everything, pack everything, and just take care of all that. So it's gonna be very easy. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a very exciting day. I'm gonna take you along the day with us. So this is what my home has looked like for the past several months. As you can see, it's just incredibly homey. It's super spacious, and it was honestly a dream come true. Now, fast forward to today, I still very much love this place, but honestly, I think I pay way too much. I pay 55,000 Thai baht a month, which comes out to around 1,700 bucks a month. And another reason we decided to move, at this condo, unfortunately, we're not able to walk anywhere. And every day I was probably on the roads for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Whereas this new place we're about to tour is literally walking distance to 100 different restaurants, malls, parks, gyms. I literally never need to drive. Literally, we live in Thongla, but we'd go to Phrom Phong like 3 or 4 times a week. And I'm honestly getting tired of living in Thongla. So it's just not ideal. And actually, I think the hiring company is here. And in case you're wondering, I didn't break the lease on this property as I found somebody that could take over my entire lease. So I'll still get my security deposit back. And all the furniture and decorations I bought for this condo will simply be moved to the next condo. So it's literally a win-win. And a huge shout out to RK for making this move extremely easy. And unlike in America and a lot of other countries, moving in Thailand is extremely easy. You just tour a condo, sign the contract, and that is it. You could literally move in a single day. That's how easy and convenient it is here in Thailand. You're gonna buy something for them?
I will buy water and some energy drink.
Yeah, these guys have been working so hard. So now it's about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let me show you what it looks like right now. This is roughly what the place looked like when we moved in here in the first day. Are you gonna miss this place? So now let me show you our next place. Now just right quick, if you're like me and travel a lot, you know the struggle of landing and having no connection. You're left desperately looking for airport Wi-Fi just to book a grab or communicate with your friends or family. That's why I started using Airalo. Airalo is the world's first eSIM store that lets you download data plans from over 200 countries and regions, all from your phone. No plastic SIM cards, no hunting down kiosks, no more waiting in line. And it's super simple too. Here's how it works. You just download the Airalo app, choose your destination and buy a plan, and then activate it right before takeoff, and then the second you land, you're immediately connected. It's honestly a must-have if you travel often or work abroad like me. Plus, you'll have no more roaming fees, no surprise bills, and you can even keep your own home phone number active while using data overseas. So if you're planning your next trip, make sure to check out Airalo and make sure to use my code PaulLee3 to save $3 on your first eSIM. You can check out the link in the description below. Hope you're getting used to your new place. Popo's excited. So this is what we're working with. At first impression, you might think it looks very old. I mean, because it is quite old, but I see a lot of potential in here, and this is gonna be such a fun project for us to work on. We have the dining room section, we have the kitchen area. I really like how it's just closed like this. And then we got the blinds where you can just see outside. We got the kitchen space, very nice and spacious. Closed kitchen right here, kind of like a bar area right here. And to me, there's so much potential here. Isn't that right, Popo? We got a lot of potential here. And it's pet friendly, which is super hard to find. This is our first bedroom right here. So we're actually gonna take these beds out and then make it into like an office. Unfortunately, I cannot get rid of these closets, but they're here to stay. But yeah, just like a lot of nice lighting, natural light. Got the nice greenery, really nice view. And then over here, we actually have a balcony. So we have multiple balconies here. So over here, I could just put like a hammock or put a sofa here, put like some sort of outdoor decorations. Yeah, and then we also have another balcony over there as well. All right, so this is what the first bedroom looks like. This is what we're working with. Again, it's quite older style, but I think if you decorate it nice, I think it'll look really, really nice. So we got the first restroom right here. I'm thinking of putting some like stick tiles, peel and stick tiles or something. And then this is our master bedroom right here. This is the main bedroom. Yeah, it's very, very moody. Very moody, very woods tone, very mid-century modern, which is my favorite style. And yeah, I just like cannot wait to really furnish this place. And then We got Mr. or Mrs. Popo here. And then over here, we actually have another bedroom. So this is a guest bedroom right here for whenever guests come. And then over here is a nice little storage room. So we could just tuck away anything right here. I could also maybe convert this into like a bar room or something. But yeah, this is what the new condo looks like. At face value, looking just at the aesthetics, I think my older apartment probably looked better, but the deal here is just insane. The value here is much, much better. So this is a 180 square meter condo that's pet friendly, that's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's walking distance to the BTS, Prompong, and it's walking distance to the malls, which has like hundreds of restaurants, hundreds of shops, so it's walking distance from literally everything. And I pay 35,000 Thai baht. I negotiated from 40,000 to 35,000 baht. In my opinion, I think that's an incredible deal. At first impression, I didn't like all of these woods. I thought it kind of felt old, but I think it has a lot of potential. I think if we put some really nice lighting, I think it could look really, really good. So yeah, this is gonna be an exciting project for me and my girlfriend. Just really furnish this place. All right, so we just got the internet installed and now we're slowly furnishing the place. It's currently about 2 p.m. We started at 9 a.m. today. We're almost done. Just had to take a break outside, eat some pat kapao, mu krop. This, I could eat every single day. This is like literally the best Thai food. The best, not the healthiest, but it's the most flavorful. It's got that crunch. It's so, so good. Honestly, if I didn't have RK, relocation, if I didn't have that company to help me today, I don't think I would want to move. So if you guys are ever relocating and don't want to deal with the massive furniture and all the moving process, just hit them up. I mean, they're super easy to work with. Check it out in the link in the description if you're interested. Even though the move-in process is easy, I think this is going to be the last place. I'm really going to invest all in onto this place. My last place was really nice. But you want to know what's funny? I bought this iPhone 17 Pro, right? This was 52,000 baht. This was the same cost as my rent. And I was at the Apple store and I was thinking, damn, 52,000 baht. Like I was thinking, damn, that's a lot of money. But I was like, yeah, it's an investment. You know, it's a good purchase to have. But I was like kind of conservative, you know. I was like, damn, that's a lot of money. But I'm literally spending that much money every single month on my rent. And I don't even particularly hang out that often in Thonglo. And I'm like, damn, let me just see if I can find another good deal. Let me see if 52,000 baht is actually overpriced. So I did these condo searches, as you might have seen in my previous video. I'm like, wow, they have so much better deals. Yeah, I would admit my old condo, my 52,000 baht condo looks a bit nicer than this place. But I would argue this place is so much better value, better location, better price. So this is a win-win, right? I'm in the best location and I'm saving a considerable amount of money compared to my old place. So yeah, super happy guys. This is a new chapter. All right, good morning. It is the first day since I've lived here. I had my first night last night, and I gotta say, sleep wasn't the best. Honestly, I had feelings that this house might be haunted, you know. And the reason I thought that this house might be haunted was because we heard a sound last night, just like an unexpected sound, and it was a very distinct sound. I was like, me and my girlfriend was like, what was that? You know, couldn't figure out what that sound was. And then also, we were disassembling one of the bed furnitures. And then, you know, the wood furniture, it comes piece by piece, right? So one of the piece boards on the headboard had a smeared drawing of like a naked woman, like a kind of cartoonish drawing, but it looked like as if it were smeared in blood, which is a bit odd. It could just be something weird. I'm not sure if there's any Thai traditions associated with like drawings or anything like that, but yeah, it was unusual and slightly in a more negative way, not in a like lighthearted, like funny joke way, but a kind of a negative, like, what the hell is this, you know? But yeah, nothing paranormal happened, so that's good. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I hope you guys stay tuned to this series. I'm just trying to make this place my home, you know, make it super homey. I have no experience with like renovating, with interior design, with using tools, to be honest. I'm not really particularly handy. So this is all going to be new for me. So today, I think the main mission is to make this place feel like home more, decorate it, clean it up. As of right now, it's a complete filth. My girlfriend Tonao is not here to help me, so I'm here all alone. And I also have a maid coming. So yeah, let's just go and get started. This room is going to be an office. So I think this would explain the weird drawings on the cupboard I mentioned last night. So I can see on this closet that there is some pink drawing. So a child must have lived here before I did. As you can see, this is probably some pink crayon or pink paint or something. As you can see, there's scribbles here. So this means that a child had lived here, right? And had probably drawn that weird woman figure I saw last night. As you can see, you know, no rational adult probably would have done that. So case solved, there is no haunted woman possessing and attaching herself to my furniture or anything like that. I mean, that makes sense, right? It's a pretty logical assumption. I'm just gonna go with that. So this is kind of what we're working with right now. We just gotta get a rug and then obviously put some stuff more in the kind of cabinets, hide everything. But this is more or less the structure, the layouts, and I like it. You know, it gives me that New York kind of Brooklyn vibe, especially outside where you can see the greenery and the cityscapes, right? So we have this huge balcony space, you know, so I have a lot of potential here. Maybe put some sofas back here. So yeah, if you have any suggestions what to do with this huge space right here, let me know. Yeah, as of right now, I'm not really sure what to do with this space. So I think this is what we're gonna work with right now. Stay, papa. Stay. Papa, Oi! You just hear that? She just farted. So this was episode 2 of moving into my new condo. Let me know if you guys like this chill kind of vlog, episodic kind of style of series. This is going to be a non-stop journey of decorating this place, of making it feel like home. And as always, if you're interested in finding remote work or moving to Thailand, check out the link in my description and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.